नमस्कार हमारे कर्मयोगी परिवार को. In today's session, we will be having a discussion with Sunita ma'am, the content head, about the 52 new courses which got published by 13 providers on iGot Karmyogi platform last week. तो मैम आप courses के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगी?
Yes, Isha, why not? You're very right. 52 courses are published on iGot Karmyogi platform by 13 providers last week. Last week means in the first week of July. Invest India has published a course, Introduction to Leveraging AI and ChatGPT.
It seems to be an interesting course. Can you elaborate a bit?
You're very right. And so this course, it provides a comprehensive understanding of AI and its potential to enhance various domains. So I would urge all the learners to go through this course because this will definitely benefit, they will be definitely benefited through this course in their particular domains. So that is it. Then we have our one of our veteran provider, that is Labasna. Labasna has published a course, Child Rights, with a special focus on juvenile justice system.
Does this has some practical aspects also?
Absolutely. So this course is a useful guide for society's dedicated efforts towards the realization of child rights. So on child rights, this is the first course that we have on iGot Karmyogi platform. Moving forward, then we have Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. They have published a course, Common Yoga Protocol. So earlier this course was published in 2 languages, English and Hindi. Last week we have in 10 more languages.
Total?
So total it comes to 12.
Wow.
And then we are targeting for more languages so that we have, more number of target audience to cater to it. Then we have Art of Living. Art of Living has also published a course that is called Complete Journey to Stress Management.
iGot Karmyogi already had a stress management course. What is the difference?
Yes, that is true. So Karmyogi has about 2 to 3 stress management courses, which are the beginner courses. So this course is different from the earlier stress management courses because this is an intermediate course where a learner can go through 10 days of journey with Sri himself on stress management. So that brings the difference between the basic course and the intermediate course. So out of this, BSNL has published 20 courses, NTI PRIT has published 7 courses, DMRC has published 4 courses, Quality Control of India, RAKNPA, Department of Post and Norona Academy of Administration and Management. They have published 1 course each. And all of these courses are specific to their respective domains. Besides this, we have a new provider, Indian School of Business. They have published 2 courses. One is Insights from Data for Policy and the second is Evidence in Public Policy. Then we have our most integral partner, ISTM. They have also uploaded 2 courses. One is on conduct rules and then there is a behavioral course on interpersonal skill. So these are the 52 courses by 13 providers. Some of them are already providers on platform and some are the new providers.
So we can get these all courses on igotkarmyogi.gov.in.
Right, that's true.
Yeah.